Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. Today is a super simple Sunday dinner. We're having steak with mashed potatoes. That was leftovers from the game day. Sauteed mushrooms and then asparagus wrapped in bacon. It looks really yummy and we will see you guys Monday. Hey guys, and happy Labor Day. Today we are going to be doing the new recipe, crispy and tender baked chicken thighs. You can get these on the allrecipe.com. It sounds super easy, and it was really easy. It smells really good, but we are having on the side some asparagus with the wrapped bacon. That was from the other night with our steak. I roasted some broccoli in the oven, and then we are finishing off our leftover mashed potatoes from the other day. Smells really good. I'm super excited about eating this. And I will see you guys the next day. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and we're having a simple dinner because I worked until 7 p.m. tonight. It's currently about 8, so I toasted some bread. Well, my boyfriend did. Have 2 fried eggs, some spinach, cheese, and mayo. And did I say bacon? If I didn't, then I put bacon on it too. But super simple. I always have this at least once a week. Everybody who has been watching these videos know, and it's super yummy, so, and very, very simple to make. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So it is Wednesday, and it is a very Sunday dinner that we are having. We're having shake and bake pork chops. We absolutely love shake and bake pork chops. I grew up with it whenever I was younger. Then I haven't had mac and cheese in like 6 months, maybe seven months. So craving some mac and cheese, got some mac and cheese. Then I roasted some zucchini and some mushrooms. So this is our very yummy dinner. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Thursday and I just got off of work, so it's about 8 o'clock. We are having some hot dogs. So I'm not really that hungry, so I'm just going to eat one hot dog. And it is the Nathanson brand with some chili, mayonnaise, mustard, and cheese. So this is my glorious hot dog. No side, no french fries or chips or anything. Just a hot dog. Not really hungry. Jared will probably eat some chips or something like that. And then I always have a glass of milk with my hot dog. It's kind of weird. Let me know down below if y'all do that. But this is our dinner, and we will see you guys Friday. Hey guys, it is actually Saturday, which is the last day for this video. Friday I went out and I had some sushi with some friends, but tonight is Saturday and we are having some steamed fish. This fish we get from the Asian market at least once a month. We cooked some rice and then our regular steamed or roasted zucchini with paprika, salt, pepper, garlic. So this is our dinner tonight. Yes, it is a big fish because this fish is so good we do not keep leftovers. But so that is the end of this week's What's for Dinner. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you do. Give this video a thumbs up so I will know that also. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you do videos like this. And I will go and jump to your channel and I will go and check you out. Alright, y'all have a good week and I'll see you guys later. Bye.